Hi, this is Dave, and today we're going to replace the gas cap door on our Jeep JK with this one here. This one's made of ABS plastic, and it's chromed so that it won't. It's anti-rust and anti-scratch. It should last a long time, and then it comes with a gasket for around the filler neck also. So it should be a quick replacement. So let's get to it. Get to the gas cap door off. You need to take off the taillight, which is just removing these two screws on the outside here. You don't need to take those two off. And then we just take the light and we give it a push that way. Or no, sorry. Push this way. And it comes out. And if you need to unplug it, you can, but I think I can just kind of reach in there. To release the gas cap door on the inside, there's these little clips that you can push in with your hand. It's way up in there. There's a couple on the top that you have to release. We start. We're going to take the gas cap off, and we can pull the little holder to release it. And then I'm going to be pulling out on the outside and pushing those buttons in at the same time on the inside. So there's one clip at the top, one clip at the bottom, and then just kind of work it out. And there's the old one out. The next step is on the new door. We want to take the included seal and put it in so that the little lip is pointing up. And just kind of work it in. So it'll look like that. Then we can install it. You just push it in over top of the gas filler. And at the same time you got to clip it into the Jeep. Okay, now that we got that in, we can take the gas cap and we put the retainer back in the little hole there and screw the gas cap back on. And can close the door. We can put the light back in, you feed the wires back in, and you just kind of push it over into spot, and then you can put the screws in. Don't want to tighten them too much because it could break the light if you over tighten them, but you want them good and snug. So that's how you install the fuel tank cap, and it's pretty easy, a quick and easy upgrade if you want to do it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.